So I have some really exciting news to share with you guys. If you didn't see my previous video, definitely go check that out. Here's the link. But we bought a pop-up and we've been wanting one for a long time. So to start off this little series we're doing, I was hoping to show you guys around. And if you're interested, stick around. Let's go outside. If you've ever done any sort of renovations on a home, some sort of camper, whatever the case may be, you probably know that it's not only a lot of work, but it can also cost a lot of money. The intention with this was, we're not necessarily doing the bare minimum, but we're gonna be doing the most essential things. And what we're doing is very reasonable, I guess. We've already started actually. And what I wanted to do is show you guys what we've done so far and kind of give you an overall idea of what our plan is for this. I picked up two 2x2s and 4 1x1s. I'm gonna put these underneath like the support arms and put these under the tires. Just gotta get in the car and get home because we're gonna move it and park it today. So.
Right there. Oh.
Come back. Oh, perfect. So inside the camper, Martina's already been doing cleaning. We took the bedspreads to the in-laws because they have a nice big washing machine, and we got those clean because this thing is 20 years old. We didn't go overboard with everything we did in the old camper, but the fact that it was the 37-footer, it was just so big for us, and we had to rely on others to tow it for us, you know, if we went camping. So with this one, the cool thing is like we can hook this right up to our van. One of the goals for this that we did not do in the previous one is painting. We're gonna put down new laminate tile, like sticky tile. Martina's gonna recover all the cushions, which is gonna be great. We're all about saving money in these DIYs. To top all this off, it is April 4th today, I think. And the goal is to have this done by May 1st. It's gonna be tough, but that's why we set the goal for ourselves, and we're gonna try our best to achieve that goal. I have camped several times now in larger campers that have a full bathroom, running water, all that stuff. So this is gonna be a little bit different. There's no toilet, there's no shower, no bathroom. It's just gonna be an interesting experience. So let me show you around the pop-up. Martina's been cleaning the floor, cleaning the cushions and everything. Got ourselves a little fridge. Lots of little storage here and there. Full cooktop, but Martina's not super into cooking with propane. This sink definitely needs some loving. So Martina did a quick test, and I think that's the paint color we're gonna go with. She did it underneath here, so like, you know, once you put the cushion back, if we decided not to use it, you would never know. So we have a full dinette, the second bed. And though I don't know a ton about campers, I feel like for a 20-year-old camper, it's actually in pretty good shape. We are like super excited, and we gotta get all this stuff done, so let's go back outside. One of the last things that's super important is, of course, the hitch, which we just got that installed last week. It's kind of weird to see it on there because we never had one before, so if you're interested in following along, definitely consider subscribing and liking. This is going to be a joint effort from me and Martina. I hadn't really thought about it before, but I might even do like a little vlog of us actually camping and using it once we go in May. So fingers crossed it all goes well, but I appreciate you guys hanging around and watching to the end. So hope to catch you guys in the next one.